Flawless Trachycarpus palms on Salt Spring Island. Look at that. End of January. Isn't that a beauty? That one's doing really well. Be able to see it through this window soon, living room window. I planted that 3 decades ago. And it's got a nice big crown on it. So, no winter damage ever on a Trachycarpus palm here. They are fully cold tolerant. And that's the one you want to try. If you want a nice, hardy, arborescent palm, Trachycarpus fortunei, not Washingtonia robusta. There's a Washingtonia down there too. You can see it. And that one's in a pot. So, got to come in when it's cold. But the Trackies, hey, load the garden up with Trackies if you live in a similar growing zone because they are foolproof here. And there's proof in the pudding right there. End of January, we're just, we're just less than a week. We're 5 days away from February now, something like that. So there it is. Chinese windmill palm growing happily here on the Canadian Gulf Islands on a winter day. Cheers to you.